Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is @Blooming Maths. Now the next chapter, chapter number 5, we are talking about ICSE board, and this is ML Agarwal's book, and chapter number 5 is simultaneous linear equation. For understanding this, first of all we should know what you mean by linear equation. Linear equation in two variable. When we are talking about this, we have already learned what is a equation in a previous chapter, previous class, that is ax plus b is equals to 0. When we are talking about ax plus b, where a and b both are real numbers, where a doesn't equals to 0, and this is called a linear equation in one variable is x here. Okay, so now in this chapter we are talking about linear equation in two variables, an equation of in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, where a, b and c are the real numbers and non-zero. A and b will be not equals to 0. If a will be equals to 0, so x will also equals to 0, because a into x is equals to 0. Okay, and when we are talking about if b is equals to 0, then y is also equals to 0, so it will become a linear equation in one variable. But we have to need here variable linear equation in two variables, so a and b should not be equals to 0, and x and y are the variables in this equation. When we are talking about simultaneous, we are finding out the solution. If we want to find out the solution or want to find out the value of x and y, so we need at least two equation, because we have two variables. Okay, so system of simultaneous linear equation, what will we do? Let us consider two linear equations. We'll take up two linear equations in two variables. Suppose I am taking up ax1 x plus b1 y plus c1 is equals to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. When we are solving these two linear equation, or these two equations are said to be a system of a simultaneous linear equation, as we have two equations with the same variables but different real numbers. Okay, now we have three methods to find out the solution of these equations. First is substitution method. Second is elimination method. And third is cross multiplication method. Now we will discuss one by one. Today we will discuss in this. These are the three methods by which we can find out the solution. In substitution method, what will we do? Suppose we have two linear equation, 4x minus 3y is equals to 8, x minus 2y is equals to minus 3. Let's suppose this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Substitution means we'll find out the value of one variable and put in another variable. That is a substitution. हम जब किसी की वैल्यू निकाल के दूसरी इक्वेशन में पुट करेंगे उसको बोलते हैं सब्सटीट्यूशन. सपोज आई एम फाइंडिंग आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ x फ्रॉम इक्वेशन नंबर 2 दैट इज इक्वल्स टू -3 प्लस 2y. विल शिफ्ट दिस फ्रॉम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड टू द राइट हैंड साइड. अब हम इस इक्वेशन सी, मैंने सेकेंड इक्वेशन से हमने वैल्यू निकाली x की और पुट करेंगे हम फर्स्ट इक्वेशन x की. तो 4x की जगह हम पुट करेंगे -3 प्लस 2y माइनस 3y इज इक्वल्स टू 8. अब हम क्या करेंगे, इसको -12 ओपन कर देंगे, प्लस 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 8y माइनस 3y इज इक्वल्स टू 8. ओके, नाउ विल सॉल्व इट. इट इज़ -12 प्लस माइनस माइनस, बट 8 जो है बड़ा नंबर है और -3 छोटा नंबर है, तो हमारे पास साइन आएगा प्लस का. 8 माइनस 3 इज़ 5y इज इक्वल्स टू 8. अब हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पर इस -12 को हम क्या करते हैं, राइट हैंड साइड पे ले जाते हैं. 5y को हम इस साइड ही रखेंगे और हम इसको ले जाएंगे 8 प्लस 12. तो 5y इज इक्वल्स टू 20 और हम जब y की वैल्यू निकालेंगे, ये मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है तो 20/5 विल कट दैट 5 हो जा. अब हमारे पास y की वैल्यू आ गई 4. जो हमने ये इक्वेशन मानी थी, ये फाइंड आउट की थी x की वैल्यू, अब हम इसमें हम इस y की वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे. जब हम यहाँ पे y की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे 4 2 ज़ा 8 माइनस 3 इज़ 5, तो हमारे पास x की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 5. दिस इज़ कॉल्ड सब्सटीट्यूशन मेथड. Thank you. I hope you understand the substitution method. Now in the next video we'll discuss exercise 5.1 which is based on a substitution method. Thank you.